Deathstroke, aka Slade Wilson, is a metahuman assassin for hire. That name may sound familiar, but this guy was around before Deadpool. Slade was a highly skilled soldier, fluent in many forms of martial arts. He was such a great soldier that he was given the opportunity to take part in certain government experiments. Through this, he was given heightened abilities, such as superior strength, speed, durability, and agility. He's been in a lot of great comics, but you also may remember him from Teen Titans, that animated series, Arkham Origins, the video game, and Arrow, the first 2 seasons. He initially appeared in New Teen Titans issue 2, where he was tasked with bringing down the team, but since then, he has gotten the wrong side of Green Arrow, Batman, the Justice League, and several other characters. He's one of the few people who can actually say they've defeated Batman. Bats wasn't pleased, but then again, is he ever? One of his early missions ended up getting his son into a lot of danger. His wife was obviously not pleased with this, and she lashed out, blinding Slade in his right eye. This is why the right half of his mask is completely blacked out. The rest of his armour consists of nth metal. This allows him to absorb blows from the mightiest of DC's big hitters. All of this adds up to make Deathstroke one of DC's biggest badasses. He's a deadly villain, and sometimes he's even a great anti-hero.